Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkees. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the Pro Allover Shader brush to pack shadow onto the lid of your eye for a smooth, even finish in just a few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off by taking your brush and any type of shadow that you would like to apply all over the lid. You're just going to get some product on there, tap off the excess, and you're just going to start packing. The key to this is to pack, not so much swipe, because you want to build up the most intensity. This brush is perfect for this particular technique because of the shape that it has. Like you can see, it has that rounded tip that kind of just curves right to your natural curves of your own eye and where your lid is. Just doing packing motions from inner to outer corner, kind of building up your lid shade. Now you can use a shimmery shadow like I'm using, you can use a matte shadow, you can use a glittery shadow, a satin shadow, whatever you may like to use. But basically the trick is just to apply this all over the lid, kind of going from inner corner to outer corner. It's going to really help open up your eyes, make them appear more awake, and really kind of enhance your natural eye color as well. And here's the final result of using the Pro Allover Shader brush to apply shadow onto your lid for a smooth, even finish in just a few easy, simple steps.